Some persons can actually get your glasses because of the way it's being packaged, and I don't advise you to import glasses that you're going to sell from AliExpress. It's a profitable business if you ask me, and it's something that I will advise you to start. The way you fix prices for your glasses all depends on your cost of production. Hello guys, hey family members, you're welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to start glasses business, luxury glasses business. It could be sunglasses, it could be fashion glasses, it could be medicated glasses, blue-ray blocking glasses, any kind of glasses you decide to do. You know, on this channel, I don't just bring in things that I heard or what I feel might be nice. I also test out some things before bringing it to you. And glasses business is something that I've tested over the years, and I've seen that it's a profitable business, and it's something I will advise you to do. So if this sounds like a kind of business you would love to start this year, then you should keep watching to the end. Okay, so let's dive into today's business. First of all, if you're going into glasses business, you have to take some time to do your research. You have to do a proper research before going into the business. I'm very sure you want to go into something like that. That's why you found this video. It's a good way to start, right? So you have to do a proper research. Who are those you're buying these glasses for? Because you know, glasses are meant for a whole lot of persons, right? There could be glasses for children. You could go into children glasses, be it fashion glasses, sunglasses, medicated glasses, blue-ray blocking glasses, any protective glasses, any of these glasses, right? You could actually take a look at that first. But before that, you have to do a proper research on who are your audience, who are those you are buying these glasses for. Is it for children? Is it for adults? Is it safety glasses? Who are those you're getting this for? Then the next thing is to do a proper market research on where you can get these products. Are you to import this product? Are you to buy from wholesalers, or are you buying from retailers? Whichever way you want to get your product. Another thing you should consider, do you want to start by drop shipping? Yes, you can actually drop ship glasses before going into it properly, right? Let's say I am a glasses vendor. I sell luxury glasses, blue-ray blocking glasses, and you decided to start by buying from me. I own a store, right? Ziploc stores. I'm sure if you're not new to this channel, you must have heard me talk about glasses on this channel. So you can decide to start drop shipping from me. If you don't know what dropshipping is, I already made a video about dropshipping on this channel, so you can check it out. I will just drop the link up here for you to check it out. You can decide to dropship. You can advertise my product, and when your customers need it from me and they pay you and you pay me, and you can start with that. That's with zero capital. So you can start by dropshipping. If you're to buy from your local market, you can also search, go to the market, ask of where you can get glasses in wholesale price, and also if you want to import them too, you do a proper research. You can import from Alibaba. I don't advise you to import glasses that you're going to sell from AliExpress, right? If you want to get glasses for use, you can buy from AliExpress. But if you want to buy to make profit, then you should consider buying from Alibaba or 1688. If you have any issues trying to get any of this, I have a video on how to import from Alibaba and 1688. I also have an importation course on how to go about that. So that being said, you now know where and how to get your product. The next thing you should do is, if you don't have the capital, you gather your capital. Either you ask from friends, or you save from your 9-to-5 jobs, or whatever job you're doing. You could save from that to get capital to start this business. After you've gotten your capital, after you've done your market research, you've gotten capital for this product, the next thing you should look at a method that you use in selling your products, right? So you can decide to sell them offline or decide to sell them online. I do sell my online and also offline. Like at times when I step into a place, I decide to go with my glasses. Let me show you what my glasses are like. So I have this little box here that I got. This is from Anya Pro Makeover, right? So I got this, and whenever I'm stepping out, right, because wherever I go to with my glasses, I kept answering questions. Your glasses are beautiful. Where do you get them from, and all of that. So because of that, most times when I'm going out, I go out with this. So I just package them like this. I have other glasses in my store, right? But when I'm going out, I go out with this, and I have the glasses here and everything. right? So this is when I want to sell offline. If I want to sell online, I have an online store where I display these glasses. So you choose where you want to sell your product, either online or offline. If you want to run the both, it's still better. That means you have a wider audience to buy from you. Okay, so when buying your glasses, there are things that you should also consider. Consider the quality you're going for. Yes, there are a lot of glasses. You can get glasses for as low as $1, $2, $3. Let's say in naira, you can have glasses as low as 200 naira, 300 naira, 400 naira, and so forth and so on. Even 2,000, 5,000. It all depends on what you want. You go for them. But me, I love going for quality glasses. So whenever my clients get my glasses, they can always come back for it or refer me to friends and family. That's the reason why I only deliver quality product. So if you want to go into glasses as well, I will advise that you should go into quality glasses and provide what your clients might always come back for. Like what I'm wearing, yeah, is one of the glasses from my stores. I think I also have this particular glasses here. All right, you buy all of these things separately and you bring them together. Let's talk about how much you can use in starting a glasses business. So I started my glasses business with as low as 20,000 naira. Back then I just buy few, was it 10? I think it was 10,000, right? I just buy few pieces of glasses and I set them out. I noticed that I was having customers. So the more I sell, the more profit I make, the more glasses I buy. So that is how it has been working for me. So you could start with as low as 10,000 naira. You can also start with as low as 50,000 naira and you get your glasses and you start your glasses business. These are lightweight products, so it doesn't cost much to get it, and most of the glasses are not that expensive, but you're selling it high. So how do you calculate your landing cost, or how do you fix prices for your glasses? The way you fix prices for your glasses all depends on your cost of production. All right, let me explain this. Okay, so you're getting the glasses at the rate of 2,500 naira, or let's say 3,500 naira. All right, what you need to do, that glasses is 3,500 naira, is 3,000 naira, let's say 3,000 naira, right? So you're buying a paper bag. A paper bag could cost you 500 naira. You're buying wipes, so 100 pieces of this could actually cost you, let's say, below 5,000 naira, 100 pieces of it. So you add the cost of this to the cost of the bag. Let's say we are buying this at 100 naira or 200 naira each. That is 700 naira plus 3,000 naira. That is 3,700 naira. You come to pouch, right? Let's say you bought this at the rate of 1,000 naira. That is 4,500 naira. So you can decide to sell your glasses at 7,000 naira or 8,000 naira or even 6,000 naira if you don't want to make so much profit in it, right? So you selling at this rate now, you're getting a turnover of 2,000 naira on each glasses, 3,000 naira on each glasses, and it's like that. It's a profitable business if you ask me, and it's something that I will advise you to start, right? So starting a glasses business is not really a problem, right? So we've talked about marketing, but if you're having any challenges with marketing, I think you should invest more into content creation. Create content about your glasses, why people should buy your glasses, why your glasses is unique. Then also make content about how to clean your glasses, because some persons feel, I sell Blu-ray blocking glasses. Some persons feel if they should clean the glasses or wash the glasses, the Blu-ray coat will wash away, but that's not true. So since they don't know, you can create a content around it and let people know this is what you need to do to keep your glasses neat and clean. Okay, so that is all about starting a glasses business. Do you want to start a glasses business? Are you into glasses business? Is it something you advise someone to go into? Please let me know in the comment. If you want to learn how to import your glasses, then I have a course on how to import things from China. You importing your glasses makes it even cheaper than buying wholesale price, because at this point you're buying directly from the supplier and you're making more profit from it. Yes, glasses business is something I will advise even my enemy to start, because it's a profitable business, especially now that shipping rate is a bit high. So it's advisable you go for lightweight products, and one of the lightweight products I will advise you go into is glasses, because glasses doesn't have much weight. You could actually ship over 10 pieces or 20 pieces of glasses, and it will even get up to 1 kg. So what are you waiting for to start your glasses business? Right, so the next point we should be looking at is packaging. So a lot of persons feel every glasses comes with a pouch. No, it doesn't work that way. Every glasses that you see that comes with a pouch, you as a vendor, you are the one that gets all these things. I keep explaining to people, like when they see glasses, pouch, wipes and all of that, they feel it's compulsory for you to do that. When I started my glasses business, I actually started without selling wipes or pouch. I just put this inside a nylon and I deliver, and people were buying. I was even making more profits from there, but later I discovered that there's a need for me to package my products properly. That's another point we are coming to now. It's very important you package your glasses properly, right? Because the way you package your glasses will determine if someone will be able to bring out a certain amount of money to pay for that glasses. If they see it as a regular glasses on the streets, they will price it at that rate. But when you package it well, first, you're selling quality products, right? So when you're packaging it well, it makes the money they are paying make more sense to them, right? So you should package your products right. So how do I package my glasses, and how will I even advise you to package your glasses when you are into glasses business? This is it. For now, I don't have a particular color for my brand, so I get different colors. The last time I got like 3 different colors, and now I got black, though it wasn't intentional getting black, just that the supplier was out of stock and decided to give me what they have. I felt bad about it, but do I have a choice? No, I have to continue with this because I bought them in large quantity. So this is the wipes. Normally, if you check on Amazon, if you check on Jumia, if you check on most of these e-commerce websites, you notice that these are sold differently. Like you can actually go and buy wipes yourself. But I buy these wipes separately and I always add them to my glasses. So this is one of the accessories you can get for your packaging, right? Secondly, you decide the kind of pouch that you want to go for. So this is a hard pouch. I got few of these because I felt a lot of persons wouldn't like it. I just felt it's old school. I don't know, but some persons love it, while some persons don't really love this kind of pouch. So this is hard pouch. With your glasses in here, it won't break. Even if there is something that is pressing your bag, it's hard. As you can feel it, it's very hard, right? So this is it. So I have this this pouch. So if I'm placing my glasses wipes, I'll just place it in it this way. I place my glasses in it this way and I close it. It enters any kind of glasses. I have this particular bag here. So this is the paper bag I use to deliver my glasses. This is really beautiful. Like I take time to search for these things. I imported all of them from 1688. I take time to search for this. Like I always go for unique products, not the regular product that everyone is using for my clients, because I believe that my clients are unique and they should use unique items, right? So this particular bag, I got them from 1688. I bought them in large quantity. Like even without the brand, there is this connection it creates with my clients. So whenever they set their eyes on this, it brings in more clients for me. So I place them inside, and this is how I deliver all my glasses to my clients, right? So I have a pickup point where I usually drop my glasses. It's a pharmacy store. Just this bag alone have brought me customers because they're like, oh, what is always in this bag that you're bringing here? What is always in this bag? So I told them it's glasses, and they were like, they love the bag. And after I give them glasses, they keep the bag and they use it for other stuff. So that is it. Some persons can actually get your glasses because of the way it's being packaged. And okay, my light has gone off, but I'll still continue with the video. So I also have this pouch here. This is the regular one I use. I feel this pouch is really, really nice because of the kind of audience I have. Yes, I sell to older people, let's say people from the age of 40, but most of my clients are 20 to 35 years old. So I feel this is more stylish. This is something that is handy and they can take it anywhere. So with your glasses in here, you can just do whatever you want with it. So with this other pouch, this is how I place my glasses in it, and it still boils down to packaging. This is the glasses, this is the pouch. I place my glasses inside here. Then I also use this wipes and place it inside, lock it up. This is how I lock it up, right? Then place them inside of this bag. This is like a signature for me because this brown color is what I use a lot. Though I bought the white, I bought the black, but I feel uncomfortable using this brown and my client loves it. So whatever you're doing, it should be something that is of good value and something of good quality and something that your clients love. So all right guys, so I have to stop here. Next time I'm going to drop videos on how to start jewelry business, like what I'm wearing here. Yeah, I'm going to drop videos on how to start jewelry business. If you want me to create that kind of video, just let me know in the comments. For now, I have to stop. Bye.